In this video, we're going to demonstrate single and double displacement reactions through some actual experiments that we can do here in the lab. The first one we're going to do is single displacement. We've got a piece of copper metal, and to it we're going to add some silver 1 nitrate solution. And add our solution and allow the two to mix. Now here's one that's been sitting for a few minutes so we can see what it looks like. And you notice we have a big difference from how it looked initially, right? Here's what it looks like after about 5 minutes, and here's what we had immediately upon mixing. The reaction hasn't occurred yet in this one, and after a few minutes we see a large difference. And what we're actually seeing here is silver metal. That cloudy, kind of foggy looking substance is actually silver metal. It follows the single displacement reaction. Cu, solid, plus silver nitrate produces copper 2 nitrate. That's aqueous, that's why we couldn't see it. It was just in the solution. And then silver metal, that's what we were actually seeing. We saw silver metal. That fuzzy, brown-looking substance was actually silver metal. So this is a single displacement reaction. One metal plus one solution produces a second solution and a new metal. That's single displacement. The next one we're going to do quickly here is called double displacement. So we'll move our reaction that we just did off to the side. And now we're going to mix two solutions. We have sodium sulfate and barium nitrate. Two clear colorless solutions, but upon mixing, what do we see? Here's what they looked like initially, right? There's sodium sulfate and barium nitrate, clear and colorless, clear and colorless. But when we mix them, we get a white precipitate. That white precipitate is evidence that the reaction has occurred. What we've done is we've made an insoluble substance, and we call it precipitate. This is a double displacement reaction. In this reaction, barium nitrate combined with sodium sulfate to produce barium sulfate. That was our precipitate, that was the white substance that we saw, and sodium nitrate solution. That was aqueous, we couldn't see it. But in double displacement, two compounds react. The cation from the first compound combines with the anion of the second to give us two new substances. So this is double displacement. And our previous reaction is single displacement.